Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we renovate our bathroom. We wanted to make it look more modern and a little more spacious. So it took us 3 weeks in order to remove and replace absolutely everything, and this is how we did it. This house was 23 years older when we bought it, and the previous owners never really took care of it, so it was quite destroyed. In particular, the bathrooms were very stinky, moldy, and this one had a leaking that was affecting the first floor. And we just finished applying the waterproof floor. After a lot of work, finally we finished with the entire renovation of the bathroom. For the window, we have to hire a company, and they were able to make it bigger, and we had the opportunity to open and close it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you want to see more of the renovations that we did in this house. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!